Do you want the boho look but don't want to pay those boho prices? Well, this is definitely the video for you. Today, not only am I going to show you how I achieve this beginner-friendly style, we're going to be using some new high-quality products at affordable prices. If you're a returning subscriber, I know it's been a while, but I'm definitely back on schedule, and you know I am not gatekeeping. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Vandy, your protective style specialist. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Diving right into the video for today's look, I'm using the new Cuban Twist Soft and Natural Hair by Shake and Go. Now, if you're familiar with the original Cuban Twist, you'll know it's perfect for Marley twists and faux locks, but it can be on the heavier side in terms of density. But with the new Cuban Twist Soft and Natural, we're working with a game changer, you guys. It's not only super lightweight and incredibly soft, but it has coils at the ends to help you lock in your twist, which should make installation easy for even beginners. For the boho pieces, I'm using the new Freetress bulk braiding hair in the Island Curl 18 inches. Now I know you're like, wait a minute, V, like Freetress got 100% human hair? Yep, you heard me right. This is the new, and we are debuting it right here, right now, just for you. Now, I know I've been using Freetress brand forever, ever since I was a teenager. And we all know they are known for the best synthetic hair on the market. And finally, we've made a remarkable debut in the world of 100% human hair. When they said full density, they were not playing. I didn't even use this full pack of hair for my entire head. So you're getting your money's worth with this one. Now, another thing I really like about this, of course, as a braider, is that it's bulk braiding hair, which means the strands are full all the way through. Now, you can use wefted hair, but it's a whole process in itself. So this is definitely a lot easier if you're planning on doing a braided style. Bulk hair typically comes sewn together at the top, and to prep, we're just going to pull the pieces from the sewn strand. When prepping each piece, add a little bit of braid glaze to the tip for better control when you're grabbing the strands. Also, take note, the bend where the straight piece is. This is where you want to insert the hair when you're braiding. Moving on to hair prep, as you can see, I've already washed my natural hair. I know I have some considerable heat damage in the front, but that is definitely a different story for another day. I'm using my handy dandy blow dryer brush. Not only does it detangle, but it dries your hair really fast. I can usually get this done in less than 15 minutes. Now, usually I'll go for free parting because that's easiest to do on yourself, but lately I've been really feeling square parting, and usually I'll get one of the braiders at the shop to part me up, but I kind of forgot to book an appointment, so I'm stuck doing it myself today. To part the back, I'm using the camera method. No, I'm not Team Droid, so I don't know how any of that works, but if you have an iPhone, you can screen mirror it to another device. However, in this case, I'm using my DJI Pocket 2, which is really the most amazing thing ever. Not only does it shoot in 4K, and it's really compact, easy for travel, you can control the camera through an app. So I was able to see what I was doing on my phone without having to find another device to connect it to. Also, you will notice that I'm banding my sections. This step is optional. You can braid each section if you wish, or if you're that advanced, you can twist it from the roots. But if you have fine or really short hair, rubber banding it is going to be your best option. I chose this method because y'all know I'm good for doing a good braidless look, and I actually have plans for these same parts in an upcoming video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Now, I tried several different ways, but I had a horrible time getting the right camera angle for this, so I'm going to show you exactly how I did it here. Whenever you are twisting, it doesn't matter which direction, you want to make sure you're twisting each strand in the opposite direction, then crossing over, just like a rope. To add in your human hair, you want to insert the hair right in the middle of the twist, hold one side, then twist that side with the straight piece into the strand. Make sure it's twisted very tightly before you begin to cross over. You're going to continue twisting a couple of times, about 1 inch or 2, then release the human hair and clip it out of the way. From there, repeat the same steps, and then you can add as much hair as you want or as little as you want. For my look, I did about 3 strands per twist, 2 that stick out at the top and 1 at the bottom. To seal the ends, I'm not going to use any glue or magic tricks. I'm simply going to just grab a small piece of the Cuban twist hair and wrap it like you would a faux lock. You want this piece to be really tiny because it will act like a piece of thread. If you feel like you need more security, you can do a slip knot or you can add a small drop of nail glue. However, I did not find that necessary at all. So I just kept wrapping small pieces until there was no Cuban twist left. When you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, so now back to my hair. I'm team mid-back, so I cut the Cuban twist pieces in half, and I only used 1/2 piece per section. Each half piece I pulled apart, then overlapped them to adjust it to my desired length. I crocheted the piece underneath my banded section, but before I began twisting, I took a small piece and wrapped it around the base to conceal the rubber band. Then I split the section into 2 and began twisting and adding my human hair. To help seal the ends and soften the hair, I dip them in hot water and let it air dry. Trust me, if you just wrap the ends and dip them, the hair will be secure. And here is the final look. This took me a total of 5 hours. The parting took me about 1.5 hours, so not bad considering I did this all by myself. I know if I were to do this on a client, it might take me about 2.5 to 3 hours tops. This particular clip was shot a week after wear, and to be honest, I've had no issues with the hair tangling at all. I would advise not to use any combs or brushes on the hair. Finger combing is more than enough. Also, let's note, not a single piece of this hair has fallen out. It is that secure. Lastly, this is the hair in its completely dried state. To refresh it, I just used a little bit of conditioner and water in a spray bottle and finger combed it out. Yes, the hair does flow better when it's wet, but let's keep it realistic, guys. Wet hair eventually dries. I would strongly advise not to add a lot of product to it, like mousses and conditioners. Just like human hair, it will hold all of those products and begin to weigh down over time. Then the only way to get it out is to shampoo it. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. As always, if you learned something new, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Special thanks to our friends at Shake and Go for sending over these awesome new products for us to try out today. I can honestly say this brand never misses in quality and price point. Y'all know I won't steer you wrong, so this hair gets 10 stars all around. And I already have more plans for it coming soon. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.